Dirk?
Yeah, they still are going to be seeing some severe weather, especially in North Carolina as well as Virginia. But look at this map here. This is showing you the radar activity, but all the areas forecast, these areas of light green are just areas where they have thunderstorms. Then you get into the darker green and especially the yellow. That's the potential, increased potential for severe weather popping up. So there's really three kind of bullseyes going on. The first one's up in Minneapolis, and there's this boundary line right here, a little cold front coming through, and this is what's spawning some of the severe weather going on in Minnesota as well as North Dakota, and even South Dakota could see some of this. Already have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings associated with that line of heavy rain and thunderstorms. Here's North Carolina, another severe thunderstorm warning near Raleigh there, and also just lots of thunderstorm activity. South Carolina is getting it as well as Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, even through the deep south. We're seeing this in Alabama and Georgia. And then the other hot spot here is in southern Arkansas and into Louisiana as well as eastern Texas. We're seeing a line of thunderstorms here in Louisiana, so multiple areas, widespread areas under a severe thunderstorm warning. They're in northern Louisiana, but we have more thunderstorms again across Texas, and so it's just very active. And this is supposedly impacting a lot of travel that's going to be going on because those airplanes, you've got to stay away from those thunderstorms, and there's a lot of them out there. Speaking of thunderstorms, well, we have some buildup. Taking a look off to the east, Live Copter 3 showing us those big cumulus clouds that are building up off in the distance, and there is some rain and even some thunderstorm activity associated with some of that as we go along. Cooling overnight, though, is expected in the valley. Nice onshore breeze will pull in some of the marine layer, so we'll have some low cloud cover and then some afternoon sun, and temperatures should stay about the same as they were today. We're looking at upper 80s, close to 90 degrees. Warmer weather, though, is going to be moving in by Wednesday. You look at those clouds trailing off over the southern Sierra. Temperatures in the Sierra, Lake Tahoe, 78 degrees, so pretty warm there. 89 in Modesto as well as Stockton, and 88 degrees currently in Sacramento. So this is a satellite view showing us the marine layer in place, so we're looking at that fairly thick right now. So that's going to impact our temperatures tomorrow. We have some mid to upper level clouds moving across the state south of Stanislaus County and moving into Tuolumne County. And then these bright white clouds. That's what the Live Copter 3 was taking pictures of, and that's where we have the chance for some showers and little thunderstorms popping up. So let's zoom in with the radar showing you those areas of green, some heavier rain to the south, again near Mammoth Lakes is where we're seeing that, but you can see some heavier rain again, all pushing to the east into Nevada. Sunny skies, though, in our area, except for tomorrow morning. You may wake up to just some low cloud cover covering the valley. That's, again, the marine layer blowing in overnight tonight. Then we'll have some sunshine through the afternoon with temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees. And then a little bit of cloud cover Wednesday morning. And that's telling us that there's some changes. We're going to see more sunshine and temperatures climbing into the 90s on Wednesday. And by Thursday, we can see temperatures ranging at least in the mid to possibly even upper 90s. So a big change there. Before tomorrow, look at these numbers. Oh, very nice. 82 degrees in Fairfield tomorrow. Temperatures in the upper 80s elsewhere in Modesto as well as Stockton and into Sacramento. Your 7-day forecast showing temperatures that'll steadily climb again Thursday into the upper 90s, and then it looks like we'll see mid-90s by Friday and Saturday. And as we get into this coming weekend, we're going to talk about the monsoon a lot more, and that's going to bring clouds and the chance for thunderstorms in the Sierra.
Interesting.